right, guys, this is the single steps. I will now explain to you in details what we do in the single steps. Christy is going to turn around. For the ladies, don't forget, you always start with your right leg. Guys, we're going to start with our left. Okay, on the single steps, you want to remain on one spot. That's very important, okay? So what you do is you make a step. Make sure you roll the feet completely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we now turn and show you from the side, see how we are going to roll our feet. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I say roll the feet, I mean you start with the ball of your feet and then till your heels, and that's a complete step. That's the single steps.